your dude acting up.
What's up, SBM gang? Today I am back with another wig collab. LuvMe Hair sent me this bomb bust down 613 bob unit. This wig is completely glueless. You don't need any adhesive. I literally just threw this wig on with the strap in the back and it gave what it gave. So this look was for Halloween and we wanted to recreate Doja Cat in the Kitty Talk video featuring the City Girls. Or is that the City Girls featuring Doja Cat? No shade. Yes, so we wanted to make sure that we created this purple bob looking situation. And LuvMe already sells the Glueless Bang Wig, so it worked out perfect. We dyed this wig 2 different purples and we made it happen. Like, all we used was a bucket and some hot water and our 2 bottles of dye. And the color came out exactly, not exactly, but almost exactly how it was in Doja Cat's video. So yeah, this video is pretty much self-explanatory. There really wasn't an install process. We threw the wig on and we flat ironed it, literally. So you guys already know I like to use hairspray before flat ironing any type of wig because it keeps the hair in place. We don't like the flyaways. We don't want the hair staticky, moving around too much. So I love to stiffen out that hair a little bit with some hairspray that, you know, and it's not hairspray that's too rough, like Got To Be or something. It's a flexible hairspray and it just keeps the hair where you want it. I'm telling y'all, if y'all doing a bone straight look, throw some hairspray on that hair first, especially if you're doing a bob. It's the keys to success. I posted about this flat iron before already, but I kind of love this flat iron from Shop Beauty by Sade. So make sure you guys check it out. I'm using the more smaller one. This is perfect for bobs and when you're flat ironing a bang. I always tell you guys, when you're doing something close to the face, you don't want to use a big flat iron. You want to use a flat iron that's small and that you can get close to the face, but it doesn't burn their face. So this flat iron is perfect for a bang look or even trying to curl your baby hairs. This one gets a pass because y'all know I hate when y'all use them big flat irons to curl y'all baby hairs. But this flat iron is both-handed. You can use it to press out all your hair and those small spaces that you would need a mini flat iron for. Now that I'm done pressing out all the hair, I'm just going in with some mousse at the top to make sure everything's flat. Y'all know I hate Humpty Dumpty wigs. You gotta make sure you go in with your hot comb and get it flat. You just have to. Even when you think it's flat, go in and make it flatter. No shade. Yes, shout out to LuvMe Hair for sending this bomb wig. This was a 613 Bang Glueless wig. So I will put all the information for this wig in the description box. Be sure to follow Gabby on all her social medias. Make sure you're still liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing. We're almost at 3,000 subscribers. The SBM gang is growing slowly but surely. Shout out to y'all. Bye.
Right there, hold that.
Raise your right hand a little bit.
What?
Raise it a little bit.
Alright, cool. You know, sometimes I got a crook in my neck right now. I'm trying to stick on my hip for my life.